guys. Today we're at Santa Pod. We're doing round 2 of Formula G. I've just woke up. As you can see, nobody else is up. There's not a very great turnout, unfortunately. So if you're ever interested in to know what it's all about, please ask. I'm happy to help. I want to promote the sport. It's really good fun. Yesterday was round 1. Didn't really go to plan for me because of my, as you may know, it's got a Mustang axle in this. Now it's like a limited slip diff, and it's not locking up on the tighter donuts, so I think I'm going to have to weld the diff to be competitive in Gymkhana. They're setting up the track this morning. They've just arrived, so they're just putting all the lights out and stuff. So it's like a drag racing start, and then you go round a course which you can get lost on. Everybody's got the same course, so everybody has the same problems. Yesterday it was quite a difficult course. We had to change it a little bit, and then it became a lot faster, so it was good fun. So today I'm going to try and do a bit better. Today's course is a little bit quicker, yeah, wish me luck, and I'll try and get some GoPro footage, and yeah, wish me luck. So I've been given today's track. It's a nice fast flowing track today. Lots of roundy, not many tight donuts, so hopefully my diff doesn't have to work too hard trying to lock up, and we should be competitive with a bit of luck. So Right then, that was qualifying. I missed the first run, sorry about that. The second run I went the wrong way, which I haven't done all day, which is just typical. Just completely had a brain fart and didn't know which way to go, so that was that one out, so I gave up on that one. Qualified 5th out of 7, so not brilliant. It's still obviously one wheel spinning, so which is losing me a hell of a lot of time. And I've got Sam again, like I did yesterday. He took me out. We are really close, so it should be a good battle. I'll try and get somebody to film it from the outside. So yeah, I mean, it's been a good weekend. The tracks are awesome, the weather's been awesome, the company's awesome, but yeah, unfortunately the car's not quite ready for this type of racing as yet. It's been more than enough for the drag racing and drifting, but with Gymkhana I just need to weld the diff, which will obviously make it a bit better and a little bit more competitive. So yeah, I'll weld the diff for, I can't do round 3 and 4, but what I can do is round 5 and 6, or just 5, which I think is back at Santa Pod in October. And we found out today that we'll probably be doing Coventry Motorfest as well, so that'll be demonstrations, so that'll be fun. That's always good, brings in the crowds. So yeah, wish me luck in the battle. Cheers. Right, so, wow, as you can see, it's hot as you like, 30 odd degrees, but as you might spot in the background, we managed to get my finger in the right place, a podium. We got third place, not really the right way, but you know, third place is third place. The one battle I went the wrong way against Drift Smurf, unfortunately, and then the second run I did a really good run, to be fair, and he broke a shaft, but obviously I'd lost it on the first run, so that was that. So we did I had Sam in the first round. He went the wrong way, so that disqualified him. So that was my first round battle. The second round battle was Smurf, which didn't quite go to plan because I went the wrong way. And then the playoff was against Stephen here, and he broke his diff. So yeah, by default I come third. So happy days. I'll show you the trophy.